Knit House by UID Architects in Nagano, Japan. The house is built on a slope stretching from the mountainside to the base of the mountain, where there has been residential development since the 1970s. While the site is located near the city center, the area is abundant with greenery and nature. However, incongruous high-rise condominiums on the south side of the site, which is long and narrow in the north-south direction, created a strange view and made it difficult to secure natural light and privacy from the south side. On the other hand, the east side, with its difference in elevation, overlooked a beautiful river along the slope and had an excellent view of both the city and the mountains in the distance. We proposed a three-dimensional space that defines the interior and exterior areas with a sectional plan rooted in the earth, that integrates the microtopography of the site and an expansive roof. Specifically, a large roof with 1000 mm x 64 mm laminated wood, woven in a 2700 mm grid pattern, is supported by 6 cross-shaped steel pillars. The flat and rigid roof and multiple floor levels continually inspire a variety of spatial experiences in relation to the exterior, gradually shifting the quality of the space from open to introverted. In current times, when buildings often diverge from the surrounding environment, carefully decoding the given topography and surrounding environment and reconstructing the rich relationship between people and architecture will lead to the restoration of the natural landscape in this area.